5 cool facts about the human body that you probably didn't know. The human brain's memory capacity is estimated to be around 2.5 petabytes or 1,000,000 gigabytes. On average, the human heart beats around 2 to 3 billion times in your lifetime. This obviously varies depending on your lifestyle, your level of activity, and your lifespan. Human bones are incredibly strong. Ounce for ounce, they are stronger than steel. A bone's strength comes from its ability to withstand compressive forces. Every human fingerprint is unique. The odds of 2 individuals having the same fingerprint is less than 1 in 64 billion. This makes fingerprints an excellent tool for identification. Did you know that stomach growling is called borborygmus? It happens all the time. It's just that when your stomach is empty of food, you can hear it more loudly. Follow me for more.